Bismillah, I just wanted to show you something. Today is the day 35 of real making of our chicken coop for our chickens. And I also welcome you to the latest video of SABZ ADAD farmland. If you are new to this channel, if you like this type of real making content, if you like pigeons or chicken raising, you can subscribe to this channel and like this video. On the day 35, I just wanted to show you this the upgrade of our chicken coop means that our chickens was entering in the pigeon coop, and my grandfather doesn't wanted to enter my chickens into the chicken pigeon coop because they were biting the these pigeons. So my grandfather asked me to limitize your space, otherwise you couldn't be able to raise your chickens on the terrace. So unwantedly I have to fence my chickens with this net and limitize the space. By this limitization of the space, our chicken is going to grow in the limited space, and its space going to be covered here to here. That said, it means in future the limitizers of the space can be harm and drop our chicken's quality. What do you think about this my thought? You can comment. And about the pigeon coop, it is getting cleaned, but it has lots of waste materials. See, but I am trying to clean daily little amount of the waste materials. See, before it was worst. Now I am trying to clean it daily. After all the daily cleaning, this condition is like this. But we have to work it and we have to clean the coop. But the waste material is lots of here. So I think on the day 36 again it's going to be the cleaning section of the SABZ. So this was the day 35 of real making. Let's see the cleanup on the day 36 of real making.